Hi, Baba.
Good afternoon. How are you, Mercy?
I'm fine. And you?
Thanks, Mercy. I'm good. I'm good. So, Mercy, I'm here with Sakshi, Ajay, and Kripanshu. And Kripanshu is today is last working day. So, if you want to say anything to Kripanshu, you can say.
Oh, Pimpacha, I'm already crying. I'm missing you already.
Oh,
In
Mercy.
fact, if you see my table, it's filled up with tears.
Okay. So, I wish you all the best for this project, and I wish entire team all the best to ensure that Payment Hub will definitely go live for all the subsidiaries, and it will be like a great project because I feel great working with FBN for the entire duration that I spent at Nigeria, and I like appreciate you, like you closely take care of all the things and closely help us to sustain uh, like the entire trip for the Nigeria. So I thanks for all the things that you arrange for us.
Okay, thank you so much, Pimpacho.
Thank you,
I
Masi.
sincerely am going to miss you.
Yeah.
I know you have spent so much time.
Mm-hmm.
We have quarreled, we have shouted at each other just to make the project move forward.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm very certain that where you're going to, the sky is not even your limit. You're going to triumph and you're going to succeed greatly in your
Mm-hmm.
new task and in your new role.
Okay. Thanks.
You're a very, very nice person,
Yeah.
and continue being nice and
Yeah.
continue doing good. And I'm
Okay.
sure that when I hear from you next time,
Mm-hmm.
I know it will be good, to be good news. And
Sure.
and when you also hear from us, it will also be good news. I wish you well.
Okay.
I like your person. You're very calm, despite all the fights and
Mm-hmm.
all the shouting and everything, just to make sure that deadlines are met. You
Mm-hmm.
kept your cool all the time. I'm truly going to miss you. And I thank you for the time, your time in the project, especially when you were in Nigeria. Then it was all madness, this, qualifications were not clear, it is this, business will remain Y and they will say Z, next time they will say A and all that. You kept your cool. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. We truly appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Masi. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
Mercy, for sharing your comments and your wishes. Thanks a lot. So, yeah,
All right.
now we
Okay.
can
So
move
before
to.
we before we commence, let me try to reach out to Madam Fumi.
Sure. Call Madam Fumi. इसकी गलती है Fumi से.
रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है लास्ट
अरे
रिकॉर्डिंग
यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है. YouTube पर डालेंगे भाई ये वाला. फिर वहाँ
मुझे यार मैं वैसे लगेगा कि मेरे को एक ठंड लग रही है.
नहीं होगा.
Comment.
Okay.
Before she joins, so what is the update on the whole debit confirmation, the list that we generated?
Yeah, Mercy, we have checked that, and currently the work items which are pending at hold debit, the only scenario which is there is that corresponding statement message is not available. Rest all has been archived and it was like a straight through process.
No, I don't understand.
I'm saying that currently whatever the work items which are pending at hold debit, the only scenario is when any corresponding statement message hasn't arrived.
No, but that is not true. I gave an example out of the many ones that were there yesterday. I gave an example last
करना है
night
accept
that there was
अपनी
one.
यूटिलिटी में
I went
रिस्टार्ट करनी
myself to
पड़ेगी.
check. I gave
मतलब मुझे
the 103 reference number and the 942 reference number.
Yeah, Mercy, for the previous ones, like they were not processed, okay? So, team, what they have done is they have restarted the utility and everything, it started working.
Why were they not processed? Why were the utilities not started?
No, utility it was already started, but what we did is we have again restarted it. There might be some issue in the utility, so team did that and work item it started processing.
No, but that is because I called when we finished on that Friday. I asked the team. I hope everything. In fact, I even told them
ये
how
भी
many
घुसती है ना
items. Do
अंदर
you know the
साली
number of items on
बता
code
दे मैं
permission
तो
before
बता दे
क्या
deployment?
कोड में
Said
दिक्कत
yes.
थी
बोला
नहीं
कि
We
भी कोड
quoted
पे
that
हाँ
India
क्या तो
have
ज़्यादा जल्दी हो
quoted
गई थी
one figure for
और
me. I
शायद
can't
वो
remember
क्या
now.
कहते हैं मैसेज
And
पैसे नहीं
again,
पाने थे
after,
मैसेज एरर नहीं
and
पाने
I
थे
said, what
उनको
of the
रिकॉर्ड्स पे
whole
मैसेज नहीं थे ऐसे
बोला
permission
बहुत
issue?
ज़्यादा
They
फास्ट
said
प्रोसेसिंग
yes,
होने
it will
लग
be
गई है
processed.
इस वजह
That
से डॉक्यूमेंट
it
अटैच
was
ही
a
नहीं हो रहा है
Friday.
ये
That
थोड़ी ना समझेगी वो।
they told me
आज तो
that
क्या
they will
है
not be
19 समझता हूँ
processed. So I was surprised to see that Thursday, items on the 14th of November and 15th of November were still there even as at yesterday.
No, Mercy, what was the issue on that? Because the code has been deployed on 15th of November, okay? And what we did is we have done some changes in the code, and previous work items which came before 15th of November, that was not even getting processed, okay? Because of this updated code. So we did some changes so that the previous one can actually start working, and that is why I was just telling you that then we have started the utility, and now everything is processed.
Then then that leaves me it's giving me some concern.
Mm-hmm.
If I didn't send this list and we know this issue existed, that based on it was not every item that were processed before deployment.
Mercy,
And
even we are
so
checking at our end that how many work items are pending for the last 10 days. Okay?
Mercy, we told you that time also when we'll deploy the changes on Friday, we'll continue monitoring the system from Monday. So this is what we did yesterday. Even if you would not have shared the list with us, we would have still monitored the same at our end. So this is what we did it today also, we'll be doing it tomorrow also, and if in case we have the same problem, then we'll see. Remember one thing we told that we'll send one message from Swift to MQ and then monitor it at our end. Then we'll process that. But still, there was some issue at our end. We've resolved that. We are still monitoring the system. In case still some issue, we'll still optimize it at a deeper level, and then we'll see if the issue has once and for all resolved. Because as of now, we haven't seen any major issue there.
no, Sakshi, I hear you. From the business perspective, okay, it was last night I was sent for before last night, items were not being. So what I expected you, Jen, to have done is that okay, this is Monday, first working day after deployment. So we would have checked, log in the morning. From 8:30 Nigerian time. Okay, log in and to check those items in whole debit. You understand? I want to wait till today. That's my point.
इसको कैसे पता लग जाता है
Because
सिस्टम
until
देख के कि
customers were
940 आ गया
calling,
942 आ गया
calling, you say my
MQ sir, MQ sir. Swift
Swift
Alliance की रिपोर्ट में आता है.
So they started investigating and realized that a whole lot of items were still hanging there. So I expected that Blue Jay would have did that check on Monday morning rather than wait Tuesday morning.
Mercy, yeah, I hear you. You know what? Like the code has been deployed on Friday, and we completely understand your problem that these things should have been from the Newgen side every time. In the morning, these work items came and how many it got processed. Mercy, just we are actually noticing all these things. The code has been deployed for this particular week. Okay, even we are going to publish it from our end as well, like in the morning these many work items came matched with this and what exactly how many time it has taken for via payment hub. Okay, so just give us like 2-3 days and regularly we are going to publish our report. Okay.
Waiting for 2-3 days for what now?
Just even how the utility is actually behaving and how many times it is going to process the transaction. So even we wanted to note it from our end as well. Okay, so this issue is being from like 10-20 days, this whole debit, so many work items are pending at whole debit, so even we are getting frustrated with that. So now the code has been deployed. Team is already saying that now there is no major issue. The only one is the items which are pending before the deployment date. There was some issue into that, and now it also got fixed. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to publish a report that these many work items came at this time and it got processed. Okay.
So what are we looking at? Okay, right now, how many items are called debit confirmation? As we speak?
Yeah, there are around 72 work items are there which are at whole debit.
What's the oldest date?
The reason for that is that till now, most of the transactions were for foreign currency, and till now we haven't received any of the corresponding statement message.
No, I'm saying what is the oldest date? The oldest
Today,
date
today,
of
today.
introduction.
I guess
Okay, you
it's
don't have anyone for yesterday?
no. I mean, as per my information, no. But still, I'll confirm. For 13, 14, 15, which you were saying, there's no work item before Monday. I guess that is for sure.
Okay, is there any item pending for yesterday?
I must see. I mean, right now I need to confirm with Hafiz as well. You can just hold on. Let me just call from my WhatsApp number to Hafiz. He should have joined this call, but I don't know. Give me a second.
Okay.
Just a second. मैं WhatsApp कॉल नॉर्मल कॉल करूँगा हफीज Hafiz, we are actually in the call and you are on loudspeaker. Okay. So Hafiz, can you please confirm how many work items are pending for yesterday? Is there any work item for?
The work items from yesterday and older ones were 19.
The last date is
19 from yesterday. The one belongs to yesterday and 14, 15 and 18. I think, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm asking how many work items are pending for yesterday, like the work items which came
19 work items.
19, 19. And the reason for that?
There is no confirmation statement.
Okay, and these are foreign currency or local currency?
Actually,
Foreign currency. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Hafiz, okay, right now we are just taking this call. Going forward, please attend here. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Mercy. Hello.
I'm here.
Yeah. So had a discussion with Hafiz. So there are 19 work items for yesterday which hasn't processed till now.
Why?
The reason for that is it is foreign currency and till now we haven't received any of the statement message.
Can I get like 2 work items?
Sure, definitely. What I would request Hafiz is to share the work items with you. Okay.
Okay.
Just a second. I'm telling him right away.
Is it on this call?
No, actually I was calling from my mobile.
Oh, okay.
Hafiz,
Yeah.
please do us a favor. For yesterday work items, share 2-3 reference number with everyone, like Mercy and Newton as well.
Okay.
Yeah, even she is going to check it in Swift as well if they have received any of the statement message or not. Okay.
Okay.
Just 2-3 reference number for yesterday.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Ugozi is here. Fumi is here with me. I think she has an issue joining from her end. So I will allow her to speak now. All right.
Okay.
She just came. So the previous conversation we have had, of course, she doesn't know about the whole thing confirmation. She doesn't know. So you may want to give her the update. So before now, okay, let me just recap. What I asked them was that on those phone debit confirmation that we're still having, despite the fact that they said we have done the fix. So I was just asking, and I said they to them last night, that why do we still have those numbers? Okay, they explained that they were still they did the fix. The ones before that day, that the 14th and 15th, you know, 15 was when they did the fix. So there was the minor issue which has been resolved, all those have been processed and according to them. And according to them, I also asked, okay, now how to process them? I told them that one, they shouldn't have waited for us to send the list. They should have said we are reviewing it as we are checking them, we should have also been checking. They noted that yes, they are also checking, even this morning they also checked. However, every other item that was there has been processed. But from yesterday, I said before yesterday, do you have any other thing on code debit? They said no. I said okay, from what is the oldest case of code debit that you have said yesterday? There are about 19 of them for yesterday. And also you share 2 or 3 of the work items for me so that I can check the system if the statements have come in or not. So that we can be able to I'm not saying, oh, okay, that's true. We should check and confirm with them. So they said the ones that are there, they are still today, and they are still monitoring every now and then because they also get our report, our daily report, where they see so and so number and it goes them, so it's also giving them some concern. So they're tracking it, they're tracking it, that's where we ended the call before you came. Okay? So you may want to also see your report. Hello.
Hi Fumi, good
Hello,
afternoon.
good afternoon. How are you?
We are good, Fumi. Thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. Fumi, first of all, we are like sorry. Yesterday you have to process 2 work items manually, and I hope that we responded on time.
Yes, you
Okay.
did. So
Thanks.
at least thank God that notification was discarded and we processed manually.
Okay.
However, Mercy has told me the fix has been done, so I think we'll have to monitor today
Right.
to ensure that it doesn't occur.
Yeah.
We can always check our dashboard for some work items there, and we'll be able to check on Swift to confirm if there is an item on my phone.
Definitely,
And
definitely, Fumi.
so,
So
yeah.
if for this particular week, even we are going to monitor at our end because these kind of fixes when we do it on UAT, we actually couldn't test it with the load. Okay. So when we deploy this change on production, then exactly we get to know, for example, 600 transactions came, and then we actually get to know how the utilities and code is actually behaving. Okay. So for this whole week, we are going to test it, and we are going to publish the report from our end as well, that these many work items came and how many are actually it got processed. Okay.
Okay, yeah. No problem, no
Yeah.
problem. Thank you. I think that's about the major issue we have right now, apart from the duplication on the Naira, the LCY duplication.
What
I'm sure it was
exactly?
brought to your attention. There's a 45 million Naira LCY, local currency, that was duplicated via payment home.
Okay.
We clicked the payment checker. We clicked once,
Okay.
but the payment, we discovered that the customer's account was credited twice for the same amount. So we
Okay.
had to reverse one.
Okay. So payment checker again clicked on to that.
You said what?
I was just asking you, you were saying that payment checker clicked onto that button and
Yes.
it got failed initially, but customer got the amount.
Yes. The
Okay.
customer got the amount twice.
Okay. So I guess this particular issue which you are referring, Mercy has already dropped a mail to Sakiru for that account query, and Sakshi has already tested that. Okay.
Okay,
So,
okay.
the issue was that once we are posting the transaction from